Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter troubleshoot mode on your Microsoft Surface Pro 8. And to do this, open up your settings by going to Start like this. Here, find the system, scroll down, locate the recovery. You can see the Advanced Startup as a third option and click on Restart Now right next to it. So here your tablet starts in a choose option mode. It's Advanced Startup, and you can go for a troubleshoot, and right here reset your PC to check for compatibility of all files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.